Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of rear 257 Main Street in Mill Hall, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor apartment with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and some cozy vibes that you are just going to love. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. Okay, we are starting outside, and as you can see, your door faces the parking lot and there is ample space for everyone to park here. You've got a set of stairs coming up here. There is an inside entry door, which makes it nice when the weather's bad because you can go inside and kind of not get like soaking wet coming up the steps. And then you do have this small little porch area. Could definitely fit a chair on here. So we're going to come right inside. You have got this cozy, cute, and seriously, I love this rich color too. Kind of adds this creamy, dreamy vibe inside of here. You have plenty of room for like a little couch area here, maybe throw an entertainment center over here, things like that. Now we're going to go into the hallway, and as you can see, when we cross the threshold here, we have our kitchen. So there's ample space to put a table and chair set in here. You've got a nice L-shaped bank of cabinets, and I love that you get full-size appliances as well. Now let's turn the corner here, and we are going to go into the largest of the 2 bedrooms. This is suitable for probably up to, I would say, maybe a queen size bed. It really depends on how you want to lay it out. I don't know that you could do a king in here, but if you were creative with your space and how you're laying things out, maybe. Now we're going to show off the closet here. You can see it is a little bit deeper. There's no hang bar, but you can certainly, if you wanted to, like maybe throw your dresser in here, like do cube storage for your clothes, and then you have the hang bar there. Then we're going to turn around and go back down the hallway here. Now here is this interior door that I was talking about. And you can see it goes down to the main level there. That little area there makes it really nice. Now this is the 2nd bedroom. I would say personally, this would probably be about a twin size bed. If you were alone and didn't need to use this as a bedroom, it would make a fantastic office, hobby room, study, something like that. And then you do have a nice size closet. Again, just the hang bar, not as big as the other closet. And then last but not least, you have your full bathroom. It is a small, cozy apartment, but you have a full-size bathtub, nice tall shower head. I love the shelves and everything in here. You've got a little bar right there for towels. You've got a medicine cabinet mirror. You've got storage here, little drawers, things like that. And if you wanted, you could do an over the toilet storage for a little additional space to kind of store things away. I mean, cozy vibes for days. I'm sure you're ready to call it home. So what you need to do to call this place your home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about this property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because we are anxious to help you make this your place.